All the properties that are built already have a lake view. I'm standing on the front deck of a spec house that's available now for sale. That would come with the sale of the property. There's one more house there and one up there. As you can see here, here's the entryway into this property. As you can see down below is the boat slips and the ramp, and there's a common area over the top of that house. And this is Yellow Creek at full drawdown. It's actually lower than usual because we have a storm coming in a couple days. But you can see the empty lots that are up through there that are all ready for building. You'd be buying that as well. So we do have a few established houses here. This one down below is occupied, as I just spooked the owner by creeping around the neighborhood. The main entrance is through those trees down there at the bottom. It's a gated entrance, key access, key code access. So let's take a step inside this spec house and see what you're looking at.